So, tutorial para sa fresh eyes na song. Let's proceed. So, 12 fret. Index fingers sa 12, 6th string. And middle finger sa 3rd string. So, ang pa-pluck is 6 and 3. Now, move to 10. Pero ito, ilalagay nyo sa 11 ng 3rd string. So, dito to. And here. Now, keep the finger placement. Go to 3 and 4. Tapos, i-slide nyo ng 8 and 9. So, gawin natin. For the first parts or the chorus, gagawin natin is 2 dito sa 4th string. And then ito sa first string ng 3rd. Move natin sila ng 4 and 5. Tapos move natin to ng 5 and then 7. Tapos i-hammer on natin siya ng 8. So, tapos last is 8 ng 2nd string. So, ganito siya. So, gawin natin buong song.